With the Magic Layers feature on Canva, we can take a completely flat design and instantly transform it into an editable template. This allows us to easily rearrange elements, change text, or make other edits without needing to recreate the design from scratch. This is a powerful AI tool that can speed up your design workflow, so let's head over to Canva and see how it works. To access Canva and follow along, go ahead and scan the QR code on the screen, or click the link in the video description. So here's the Canva editor. To use Magic Layers, the first thing we need to do is upload a design. To do this, let's go to the Uploads tab from the menu on the left-hand side, then click the Upload Files button at the top. I can then browse my device and find the design that I want to upload. For this example, I'll be using this design here, which, as you can see, is a simple JPEG file. JPEG and PNG files are both flat designs, meaning we can't edit or move elements around. But luckily, we now have Magic Layers on Canva, so let's open up my design and see how it works. And once you finish uploading your design, go ahead and add it to your template. So I have this design here that I want to use for an upcoming ad campaign, but I need to make some changes to the design layout and text. Instead of having to recreate the design from scratch, let's see if we can use the Magic Layers tool. So to access Magic Layers, let's start by selecting my image. And from the top toolbar here, let's select the Edit tab. And this should open up the image editing menu. If we scroll down to the Magic Studio section, we should see the Magic Layers option. Here's where we can use AI to instantly turn our JPEG design into an editable template. So let's click it and see if it can turn my image into a layered design for editing. AI should then start analyzing your image. And after a few moments, your flat design should now be layered. This means I can now easily rearrange and move elements around, and even move the various elements of my t-shirt designs independently. I can move any of the graphics, even the graphics that's behind other graphics, and even change my design text, fonts, and colors. And this is a powerful way to easily make changes to my design, and even create new versions if I like as well. If I'm working on an ad campaign, for example, I may want to A/B test several design styles to see which one converts the best. If I only had a JPEG image to work with, this would be extremely difficult, and I'd likely have to recreate the entire design. But now that we have Magic Layers, we can now easily edit any flat design and quickly make revisions when clients need updates. So as you can see, I can easily edit my graphics and text, but let's see if I can change my background. With Magic Layers, we should be able to edit any of the elements from front to back. And voila, I was even able to change my background. And once you're finished, you can now download your new design as a PNG or JPEG. And you now have the comfort of knowing that if you ever need to make changes to your design, you now have Magic Layers. So that's a quick overview of how to use the new Magic Layers feature on Canva. If you haven't unlocked all of Canva's tools and features yet, make sure you scan the QR code on the screen or click the link in the video description to try Canva Pro for free. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.